Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today on National Nugget Day, we are going to be doing a recipe on how to make baked chicken nuggets, just because it's easier and I can chuck them in the oven and all be done at once and not have hot oil spurt onto my skin. And they're just really quick, really easy, and I say we just make them because I really want some nuggets. Nug life. These are the ingredients you're going to need. 500 grams of chicken mince, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, half a teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon salt, about a cup of plain flour to dredge our nuggets in, 1 tablespoon of water that needs to go into 2 freshly cracked eggs, 3/4 cup of finely ground cornflake crumbs. Now I took about 2.5 to 3 cups of cornflake cereal in a food processor to blend really finely, 1/3 cup of panko breadcrumbs, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, finely grated. First, we're gonna make our chicken mix. It's really easy. We basically mix our spices with our chicken. So I've mixed this together in like 10 seconds. It's so easy to do. And what we're going to do now is just get a tiny bit of water onto our hands, just so we can shape our nugs how we like. Nugs. And you want about maybe a tablespoon of mixture in each one and put it in a little nuggety shape. Then we're going to put it into the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes just to firm up, because we don't want it to lose its shape. Also, just a side note, be wary of where you get your chicken mince from. You can also mince some chicken breasts yourself, but some shops will put extra water into their mince. So if you notice any liquid pooling at the bottom, this shouldn't happen. Put a bit of corn flour in or cornstarch just to help soak up the excess liquid, because you don't want that, and shops can be cheeky. Once all the nuggets are formed, place them into the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. They're thick. Our nuggets have just come out of the freezer. We're gonna put our water into our eggs and mix it together, and our cheese and salt into our breadcrumbs and mix that together. Then we're gonna dredge our nuggets into the flour, egg mixture, crumb mixture, and then put them to the side. All right, so we've formed our little nugs and we're going to put it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, cooking for about 10 to 12 minutes. And about 5 to 6 minutes in, we're gonna flip them over just to make sure they're all nice and crispy and deliciously good. Oh, and another little tip, I've put my baking tray already in the oven, so when I take it out, it's gonna be nice and hot and start cooking from the base up, so they don't go soggy on the bottom. Bye.
Come on. Again.
No. The nuggets we've made are roughly about 1.5 heaped tablespoons of mixture, so they'll probably take about 10 to 12 minutes in the oven. If you're making smaller ones, only about 1 tablespoon of mixture, bake them slightly less at 8 to 10 minutes. Just cut them in half and make sure they're fully cooked. All right guys, those are how you make my baked chicken nuggets. They smell really nice and I'm really excited to eat them. They really don't take that long to make and they're healthy. You made them yourself, look at it. And so it's an excuse to eat a lot of them. Not really, but I mean, I'm going to anyway. Anyway, Let's eat.
Thank you.
They smell really good and they look really good and I'm very excited. I love nuggets.
Okay.
I'm
Oh,
not-
me too.
I'm-
This sauce is there for show.
Mmm.
And they're healthier because we baked them.
Yeah. They're nice and juicy. And I like the spices that you put in as well. They're really good. Yum.
I'm so glad because Flavia was like, hey, it's going to be International Nugget Day. And I was like,
Hell yeah.
we're making nuggets. I'm just like, oh,
We're making nuggets.
we're making nuggets. It's just such a good
Nugget
excuse.
Day. Happy Chicken
Nug life.
Nugget Day. Nug life.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that or something awesome game related.